Imagine an object floating silently through space, worth more than the entire global economy. Not millions, not billions, but trillions, or even more, depending on its composition. It sounds like science fiction, but it's not. Right now, governments and private companies are preparing for what could become the biggest economic race in human history, the race to mine asteroids. The question isn't whether these resources exist, we already know they do. The real question is, who will get there first? Asteroids are more than giant rocks drifting through space. They're remnants from the formation of our solar system over 4.5 billion years ago. Many contain enormous quantities of iron, nickel, cobalt, platinum, and rare earth elements, materials essential for electronics, batteries, spacecraft, and renewable energy. Some asteroids also contain water locked inside minerals or ice. In space, water isn't just for drinking. It can be split into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for rocket fuel. That means asteroids could become refueling stations for missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond. The competition has already begun. The United States is investing heavily through NASA's Artemis program, while private companies develop technologies for in-space resource extraction. Japan has demonstrated world-leading asteroid exploration through missions that successfully collected samples and returned them to Earth. China is rapidly expanding its deep space ambitions, with plans to explore and eventually utilize asteroid resources. Europe is funding robotic technologies and precision spacecraft that could support future mining operations. India is also strengthening its space capabilities after a series of successful lunar missions, building experience that could contribute to future resource exploration. This isn't just a scientific competition. It's about technology, influence, and the future of the space economy. Mining an asteroid isn't as simple as landing and digging. Most asteroids have almost no gravity. A single push could send equipment drifting into space. Temperatures can swing from extreme heat to extreme cold. Communication delays make real-time control difficult, and transporting valuable materials back to Earth must be done safely and economically. That's why engineers are developing autonomous robots capable of working with little or no human intervention. Artificial intelligence may become the most important miner in space. If asteroid mining becomes commercially viable, the impact could be enormous. Spacecraft might no longer launch fully fueled from Earth. Instead, they could refuel in orbit using propellant produced from asteroid water. Space stations, satellites, and future moon bases could be built using materials sourced in space, reducing the need to launch heavy cargo from Earth's surface. This shift could dramatically lower the cost of exploring the solar system. The first successful mining mission may not make anyone instantly wealthy, but it could lay the foundation for an entirely new off-world economy. Throughout history, every great frontier has transformed civilization: the oceans, the skies, and eventually, space. Asteroid mining isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about giving humanity the resources to expand beyond a single planet. The companies and countries competing today aren't just chasing valuable metals. They're competing to shape the future of human civilization. One day, when people look back at the beginning of the space economy, they may see this moment as the start of a new gold rush, not on Earth, but among the stars.